Hi people, this is Nettie. Okay, what do I have in here? No, this is a rice maker, okay, rice cooker. But it says plus. So you could do more than just do rice. I'm going to show you what I did. I did this here today because but the gas was finished and we couldn't be able to buy it yesterday, because it finished at a moment that it was closed. So look what I did. Hold on, look at that. Nice steak. Nice steak. It's nice and soft. You can see that I could punch it in real fast. Ah, it's even breaking. Look at that. So I don't know what they call this steak, but I know my mother used to make it a lot. I'm sorry for the lighting. I don't know if you could get it, the lighting. Trying to pull it out a little bit so you could see from the, from the light. So look how beautiful it is. Now I have two of these. You know, I have two. This one I think is the old one, but it looks older than the other one. This one is older, but my rice maker, the other one, it got messed up. My mom gave me another one, bought me one. She was here in Puerto Rico and she came by surprise and she gave it to me. Let me see if I could put it like that. Okay, now you can see it. And she gave it to me, so I took it. But the funny part was that I didn't use it for 2 days, thinking that it was messed up. And I said, let's try it again one more time. And it started working. So I didn't throw it out, I put it away, and I used this one. It's basically the same one that I used the other time. Black & Decker, Rice Cooker Plus. So I did this. It is all nice and soft. It's breaking, that's why I'm not going to move it too much, but it's delicious. I did not put oil. I do have the oil there. It's because I got to make the rice, you know. And all I put here was a little bit of vinegar. I put a little meat tenderizer. I put adobo. If you don't have adobo, you could use just plain old salt. You know, it doesn't have to be adobo. And what else did I put? Pepper and garlic. That's about it. Because I wanted it to be like a Puerto Rican style, you know. So that's why I used the adobo. And I used the garlic and all that stuff. So I tasted the liquid. It was nice and it tasted good. So I figured the meat has to taste good. And I did not put, like I said, I did not put any oil. It does have oil in the bottom. I don't think you could see it. Yeah. There you can see it right there. But I did not put oil. That's from the same meat. When you have meat that is, it has a lot, you know, it has a lot of grease, you don't put oil. You just boil it a little bit, like I do with my pork chop. You know, I love the grease, that little grease that has that around it, and I always leave it on. But I cook it with water, and with a little bit of water. Then when it's soft, I stir fry it, like I did this. I stir fry it. And the grease is basically fried with the same grease that it has. Because if I put more grease on top of that grease, imagine. So what I do is that I'm going to wait for this to cool off. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put some paper on it and put it in top of that paper to drain out any grease there is. And when this gets a little colder, I think I could do it. So let me take this out, cover it up, take it out, and then I'll do the rice. Okay people, now I'm making the rice right there. I hope it doesn't look greenish because I think I put too much garlic. Why I say greenish? Okay, hold on, because of this. Yeah, because of this. Why this one comes green? Well, most of the time that you buy from the store, they're older garlic. when they hold the garlic in the middle of that garlic, sometimes you could see like a green string. That's because it's about to grow. So that's what happens. You could put them in there white, and the next day you see them green. Plus I put some parsley in there, so also. So anyway, I use the onion, the garlic, I use the salt and the oil. That's all I use for rice. I left it out there just in case I forget, because the other one I was having a little confusion there. You know, I should have left it right over here. I'm gonna do that from now on. Leave it right, because I got my own little table now. Ain't that nice? And I got plenty of storage right here. You know, so saying that. So now after that, I put the oil and everything. I moved it, shaked it, and all that. Of course, with a new spoon, as you can see here. And now I'm just gonna cover it up. And later on, I'll see when it's finished. I'll show you how it's done, how it is. So I'll see you in a while. Oh, I'll show you when I do the plating. So here is my food. Rice. I love white rice. I'm a fanatic of bean. I only drink the juice of the bean. How you call it? I put the juicy part. I put it on the rice, but I do not eat beans. Only what they call gandules, green peas, right? Pigeon peas. Those are the only ones that I eat. And this is soft. It tastes delicious. I already picked it at it before. Okay, this breaks out of nothing. This is what the good thing is. A big steak like that, you need it to be nice and soft. Okay, it's stuck here. But it's soft. As you can see, it's soft. And I'm going to eat that little piece. But anyway, it tastes good. I like it. I can't do this with one hand. There it goes. I want to prove that it was nice and soft. There you see it is soft. It comes right out. So, saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.